Hey, welcome to another episode of Beers, Jack of Barbecue. I'm Craig, the man that's normally behind the cameras, Jack. Unfortunately, like I said, with everything going on that's in the world right now, can't get together. And we aren't doing a cooking video again today, but we're actually getting caught up on some of the things that we've been wanting to shoot January, February, March. Again, things going on, then the whole COVID took over, so we haven't been able to get together. But you saw we put out some other cooks on some barbecue sauces. Then we put out a cook on a nice, beautiful cutting board from Haley Holmes. And now I'm going to do a kind of a unboxing here. Got this Weber Jumbo Joe from our daughter and her fiance, our future son-in-law. It's a Weber Jumbo Joe. One of these for when we travel. Not that we would be cooking a lot when we travel. We often like go out to restaurants, but thinking down the road in the future for when, just my wife and I want to go somewhere for a while, and we'll take some of our own meat and we'll cook some of our own food. So, great deal on this. Got it at Christmas. It's months later now. It's actually a little Christmas wrapping paper still in the box here yet. Also got, I'll open up and show you here, but I got a little small chimney. And of course, when you get a grill, you got to have the Adrenaline Barbecue Company, or now SNSGrills. This is just a charcoal basket because the Jumbo is only an 18-inch grill. So, after the preview, we'll take it apart, put it together, and unbox everything and show you what it's all about. See you soon. All right, so I'm going to take everything out, show you what everything is as we do it. I'm sure Jack's going to fast forward through all this. That's the one lucky thing that Jack still gets to do is, unfortunately, my camera work isn't as good as his, and he gets to do all my all the fixing on the video. So let's do the chimney right away. Pretty much basic chimney. I got the small one. I already have a large one, so wanted to get the small one. And that's why I wish I would have opened this up back at Christmas when I ordered everything. I actually got a dent in the bottom, but I'll be able to fix that. No big deal for what it's used for. But that's the first item. Like I said, I ordered this as soon as Christmas was over and I got this grill. This was the next thing I ordered. Because I knew I would want the Slow and Sear charcoal basket. There we go, nice little basket's going to fit in this 18-inch, keep everything, because for the most part, taking this grill places, most likely going to just be doing steaks and burgers and some chicken at times, and pretty much always use the Slow and Sear when I'm using the Weber to do steaks indirectly and then get a good sear. I wanted to get this because it's bigger than other items out there, and it still gives me some good searing area. And now the masterpiece here. I'll have to look at the instructions on this. Gotta leave that on top so for some working surface. There we go, a handle, grate, and charcoal rack. That fits it and holds it to the side. And this actually also opens or holds as a handle when you're traveling with it, holds everything shut. Do the slow and sear in there, pretty easy. If I had to do it again, I could do it in about 10 minutes. Unfortunately, it took me about 25 or 30 because I jumped ahead in the instructions by mistake, and then I actually had one piece attached the wrong way. But again, my fault completely. Actually, very simple to put together. What we'll do is we're going to do a little toast, and then I'll bring it back and go over everything that I have in here, and we'll finish it up. So we'll see you soon. As always, cheers. So here we are, put it all together. Hopefully Jack fast forwarded it. Didn't make me look too bad as I made a mistake or two here and there as I was putting it together. But wanted something small that we can travel around with at times, just like doing steaks or even going to somebody's house, you know, for a quick cook or something. But honestly, not ready to retire yet, but when we get to that point, I want to travel and have something a little with me that I can still do my own grilling, no matter where we go. So got this. It's a Jumbo Joe from Weber. It's an 18-inch grill, just an 18-inch rack here. I bought the before. Well, actually, as soon as this came, excuse me. First thing I did was get the slow and sear charcoal basket. That's for me a necessity. I have a Weber 22-inch performer that you've seen in other videos, and that slow and sear. I took it at one time to use a Vortex, and things worked out nice for that. But honestly, that slow and sear never comes out of my other grill. I use it for pretty much everything. I just did a ham yesterday, worked out perfect. Love doing steaks on the Weber grill with a slow and sear. Gets the best char you can get. So like I said, this goes in here. It's going to travel with all the time for the charcoal. Grate goes on. Lid goes on. It's nice and compact. This actually acts as a handle to carry the thing with you. It's a lightweight grill. Like I said, exactly what I was looking for. Didn't need anything special or, you know, fancy, but I wanted a good grill, and I knew this was going to be a good grill with a good charcoal basket. So what I want to do next, and I won't show you any of this on video, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to clean the grates, wash them, just because I like to do that first. And then I'm actually going to put a load of charcoal in here and just let it burn, and just let it kind of, any oils that I missed trying to clean everything is going to get burned out of here, and the things are going to be ready to go. What we will do then the next time we do another video is I'm going to probably make myself a nice ribeye on this grill, because it's kind of what I got it for. So I can make steaks, burgers, chicken, those type of things. But first one's going to be a nice prime ribeye that I'll be doing indirect and then searing it off on over the slow and sear charcoal basket. So if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.